Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you are happy and healthy. I'm your teacher Nadia, and you are watching my channel Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. So kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Again I'm here with a new letterland character. So did you remember your letterland poem? Okay, do you remember? Okay, and did you revise that? Okay, so again we will revise that poem. This is the way to letterland, letterland, letterland. This is the way to letterland. Come and follow me. We will meet a new friend, new friend, new friend. We shall meet our new friend. Just you wait and see. Yes, today we shall meet a new friend. Okay, so do you want to see that new friend? Yes, okay. So I'm going to introduce you a new letterland character. Right? Here I have a, okay, wait. I will produce a sound. You will judge whose sound is this, right? Quack, quack, quack. Wow, you guessed that. Yes, it's a dippy duck. Who is this? Dippy duck. Who is this? Dippy duck. His name is Dippy Duck. Can you see? It's a very happy and very nice duck. And you can see the scenery. Yes, lot of greenery over there. And this is a pond, a water, and one thing the Dippy Duck has. What it has? It has a drum. Wow, it has a drum and Dippy Duck is beating the drum. Wow. So, this is Dippy Duck. This is Dippy Duck. This is our new letterland character, Dippy Duck. Dippy Duck. Okay. Dippy Duck has a friend. It has many friends. So, it has a friend. It also likes to swim in a water. What is that? This is dolphin. Wow. Dolphin. Dolphin also likes water. It's also like to swim in a water. Very nice. So, Dippy Duck has another friend. It's also a duck. It's also a duck. Very nice. This is Dippy Duck, a letterland character. Dippy Duck has a drum. Dippy Duck has a friend. Its name is Dolphin. And another duck. Then a girl. His name is Dina. What is her name? Her name is Dina. And Dina also wants to play in a water. Wow! Dina likes water. Dina likes water. Dippy Duck likes water. Dolphin likes water. Wow! And then Dina has a doll. What Dina has? Dina has a doll and doll is very happy, right? And then Dina has a dog, pet dog. Dina has a dog. Dina has a dog. Very nice. One day, Dippy Duck was very happy and what did she do? She ate a thing and she got sick. So what Dina did? Dina take the dippy duck to the doctor, where she took her to the doctor. Very nice. So you learn so many things. And then when dippy duck went to the doctor and feeling very nice, so what they all sang? Dolphin, doctor, dog, doll, Dina and duck. What they sang? They sang a poem. Very nice. They sang a poem of phonic poem of dippy duck. Sorry. They sang a phonic poem. Which poem? Okay. Sing with me. Da 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 goes dippy duck, dippy duck, dippy duck. Da 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 goes dippy duck, dippy duck, dippy duck. Da 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 goes dippy duck, all ducks down. Very nice. This is phonic poem of dippy duck. Right, my dear? Okay. So, what is the sound of dippy duck? Before this, you will go and subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video, my dears. Then I will tell you what the sound of dippy duck. What is the sound of dippy duck? Dippy duck sound is da, da, da. What is the sound of dippy duck? Da, da, da. Yes. Very nice. Dippy duck says all the time da, da, da. And when she beat the drum, what she says? She says da, 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 da. Right? This is a drum. Very nice. So you learned so many words with the sound. So say after me again. The duck, the drum, the dolphin, the doctor, the dog, the doll, the Dina, and the duck. So we learned so many pictures, so many characters with the sound. So thank you very much, and remember this thing, children, you have a homework. So you have to do a homework. You will see and you will think another thing or a picture with the sound. Please draw it on your copy and write the sound. So how you will write the sound, I will tell you. Okay? How you will write the sound on 4 lines in your copy? See. Yes, my dear. Always you have 4 lines on your English copy. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Right? So for the sound, you will not use the last line. Right? On upper 3 lines, you will write the sound. But you will not start from here and like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. See, how you will write the sound as you wrote k sound. As you start k sound. You start your k sound like that. You will start from here, go to your left side, round, make a curve, then you will go up, then you will go up, touch the first line, then again go back and make a loop. This is the sound, right? This is the way to write the sound, the correct way. And my dears, you will not pick up your pencil, right? See again. As your teacher is not picking up the pen, his pen, her pen. Okay. Again, you will not use the last line. Start from here. Make a curve. Go up. Touch the first line. Again, come back and make a loop. This is the sound. Right? Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this lesson. Hope you are happy to see this lesson. Again, I'm telling you, please, you have to learn the phonics. So please watch my all videos lesson by lesson, and then you will get know all the phonics. Right? And just when you watch my videos, kindly like my videos, subscribe my channel, share with the others. Tell the other people that you can see this channel, Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics channel. Right? Okay, my dear, take care of yourself, take care of your parents, take care of your elders, and remember me in your prayer. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.